130, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 37 plus 13 is...
What is the time? Check.
50 and half past 1, that should be the time at the moment.
150.
Yeah.
Jaipur ka.
It's correct.
150 is a...
Mine is fast.
Yeah, that's the time. See? 37 plus 13 minutes.
Yeah, 50.
50.
What did you say to say?
Because you have to plus 13
You see, this is 1 o'clock. 115,
130.
130, 31,
137,
32,
yeah,
34, 35,
Plus
36, 37,
plus 30.
38.
Plus 30.
Now 38.
You see, also
151.
Yeah.
That should be the time at the moment.
Yeah, 151.
Slabs. And there's a gap between white slabs. Okay? White marble slab, and then there's a gap as well. So this gap, which is here, here, and on the next one and further up, that is on the alternative side.
Ah, yeah.
So both of them, these complement one another. And to understand this instrument, you can simply understand it by fixing your fingers, or when I show it with mine fingers. So now it is a complete structure. When I do it so, a part is here and the complementary part is on the other side. You can consider my fingers as these white marble slabs, and the intermittent white marble slab is on the alternative side. And further to observe, understand this instrument, just follow the shed of my hand. This line in the middle, or this linear depiction in the middle, is the equator line. Above the equator, 6 zodiac signs are marked above the equator. The first house, second house, third house, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The 6 zodiac signs are marked above the equator line, and similarly 6 zodiac signs are marked below the equator line. And right here in the middle we have this perforated iron ring, which represents sun here. To find this out, presently sun is in which house of zodiac? We have to shake this ring, and the shadow falls there. And in fact it falls between the equator line and this line, and that's the house of Libra. So right now sun is in the house of Libra. 23rd of September it was here, and for 30 days the sun will move in this house, which is the house of Libra. After 30 days it comes into the next house, and that's the house of Scorpio, which begins from this line, and for 30 days sun moves in the house of Scorpio, ends on this line. This is where begins the next house, and that's Sagittarius, from here to here. This position of the sun would be on 21st of June. That's what we call as winter solstice. No, I'm sorry, 22nd of December. And that's what we call as winter solstice. And after that sun retreats down, the house represents Capricorn. Further below is the house of Aquarius, and further below is the house of Pisces. Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. And back on 21st of March on equator line. Then it comes into the next house, which is this house, from here to here, Aries. From this line till this line, Taurus. And from here to here is Gemini. This position would be on 21st of June, summer solstice. And after that moves up, the house represents Cancer, Leo. From here to equator line is Virgo. So this is how specifically for 30 days sun travels in one zodiac sign, and that is what you can find out with the help of this instrument. You have to add the time difference.
50 minutes, huh?
13 minutes today.
13 minutes, yeah.
The young boy has come back from his boarding school, and now he is in the residence or in Jaipur. He's come back to join his family members, most likely for some vacation today. And
it's weekend anyway.
You see, they have fixed up this pole so that exactly at 12 noon, the shadow of this pole, it comes and falls on this line. Right here, on this edge.
This 12 o'clock line.
Yeah, this is 12 o'clock line. So the pole is, where the pole is fixed, that is 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, and it descends so forth that right at the top it is written 0 degrees. So exactly at 12 noon the shade of the pole will be on the line which corresponds with the 0 degrees. From 0 degrees, if you rotate your eyes on the right hand side, we have the demarcations of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and a complete circle makes 360 degrees. So right now if you see here, this is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45.
25.
So by now Earth on its axis have rotated 45 degrees
Yeah.
from 12 noon.
From noon, high noon.
Yeah. And tomorrow when sun will rise from the eastern horizon, the shade of this pole, it will
There.
fall somewhere about 250, 60 degrees tomorrow morning. And back by 12 noon it comes and falls on this line, which demarks or denotes one complete rotation on its axis in 24 hours time, which is 360 degrees. And the angle which sun is making here in the sky.
Gentlemen, I would like to introduce you the very old technique for making designs on the cloth with the help of blocks. That's block printing. It was started about 3.5 centuries back in Sanganer village. That's about 25 kilometers from here.
Sanganer.
Yes. The airport is in Sanganer. Maybe it was started by 2 or 3 persons, but at this moment more than 150,000 people they are living there and working on the same technique. In this technique, we use the teak wood block. It is teak wood, which is very hard.
Teak wood?
Yes. That's very hard and that's oily wood, so it never absorbs the colors.
I know.
This oily wood. So it never absorbs the colors.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
it is possible either on cotton or on silk or the mixture of cotton and silk. The natural cloth which absorbs the colors immediately. So there is no need to stay 15 to 20 minutes, it dry immediately.
Okay.
It absorbs the colors. So in that case, it can be used minimum 4 blocks and maximum 9 blocks.
It depends of the material
Design.
strength, design.
Yes. the color. Yeah, please.
This kind of
Material is used to
material
make
is mainly for
tunic
sari,
suit.
right?
No, tunic suit.
Okay.
It's tunic suit.
Tuning suits.
The colors are all natural. For example, the red color from sugar cane with a mixture of fruits. Green from leaves of mangoes. Yellow from turmeric. Blue from indigo flower. In case of any other color, we mix 2 or 3 colors together. And after all this, you put it in the sunshine to oxidize for 2 days. And after 2 days, these colors will change. Let's see practically how to make and how it becomes change.
I mean, if you wash this now, like this one is finished,
Yeah?
do you think that the color would dissolve?
No. I will show you practically. There is no problem. Come and see. So that's your a paint block. That's the master block. That's for the outline. And filling colors with some other things. I will show you how to make a design with the help of block. So please. Yes. Yes.
I'm weak.
Come on.
So one of you.
It's
I'm
very
weak.
interesting. He will show you where. He will tell you where to put the block and
Okay.
perfect. Don't worry. Please come. So that's the master block as explained before.
You want to do it as well? Let's have a.
Like here. It has to put it on the cloth and
I'll
bang.
do it.
I'm
Good.
the camera shy. It's okay.
Go ahead.
Hold the block.
अरे एक आपने कर दिया।
Go.
अच्छा।
Yes, and bang. Good.
No, no, no.
Now filling colors. To fill it, it should be very much accurate. And you see these are hand carved. I think you have carved like this in childhood on potato. No?
Potato?
Yes. Half the potato
Yes,
with the
yes.
knife.
Oh, yeah, yeah. School times.
पर बताना ना
नहीं एक come here.
नहीं इसको बताना ना कहाँ रखना है.
So now he is aligning the points and you have to align the points and then.
Face.
Okay.
So one elephant is yours
हाथ
and
लगवा दो ये करनी पड़ेगी.
other is.
Yes, and face. Good and bang.
You didn't bang it.
It's okay, doesn't matter. That's your turn. Yes, your chance.
अंदर.
Pasokatan pa kayo ng mga ano. Bang. Yeah.
Yes. The third block and the third color. I'm sorry, you're from which country?
Malaysia.
Yes, and
Paano
bang.
kapako?
Good. Now you become perfect.
Ah.
Wow.
Indigo?
Yes, it's from indigo. It looks like purple, but in actual this is dark blue. Good. And finally the fourth block will complete this.
Oh,
It has started from the bottom. In fields and trunk perfectly. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be one by one. And trunk. Okay? Go ahead. Try yourself now.
Oh no.
Yes. Good. Yes. And trunk perfectly. Is the trunk? Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. And bang. Good.
Wow, just about right.
Don't worry. Within 1 week you will be perfect too.
Instead of correct, you make a mistake.
Something for your next business.
Wow. So both of you are selected for the job. Congrats. Okay, that's complete. But the colors are not actual as explained you before. These all will change when we dry it in sunshine. But that needs 2 days. And I think it is not possible for you to stay here so long.
no.
Huh?
I don't mind if you want.
We are leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
So-
for that
You have to
change
fix
of
it.
colors, we have some magic word for the quick result. Okay. So I dip it in and the color will change. Abracadabra. It means some magic words too.
Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Quick say, bim salabim.
Was that the transition?
No. Seriously.
Look the colors.
Very nice.
Then normal water to rinse properly. And the answer of your question, whether it will fade if you wash.
It doesn't fit.
It is fresh even though it is not, but if you dry it in sunshine in that case it will fit 100% because at this moment it came out about 20-25% because it was fresh. So if you want more better results, put it in sunshine. And then some salted water to fix them properly.
Oh, what is this one here?
Which one? That's
India.
India.
Made in India.
I have
What?
idea.
Yeah, you keep that in, there's no problem.
I know.
No color is here.
When we come back, that's when we can take this.
Okay. So with the same technique, you saw there the tunic suits that we do make the bed covers, table covers.